Watch till the end. The parasailing,
How many minutes?
underwater sea walk, the banana boat ride, thrill-packed day at Coral Island. Welcome, my dear viewers. Today we are going to explore the Coral Island at Thailand. My day started with a hearty breakfast at Glow Pattaya Hotel. The spread was incredible, offering both Indian and Thai dishes. From savory samosas and fluffy parathas to flavorful pad Thai, fresh tropical fruits, cut fruits. I had a delicious blend of the flavors to fuel my exciting day ahead. It was a perfect start to the Coral Island adventure.
প্রচুর খেয়েছি সকালবেলা উঠে
Nice
বিকজ এত কিছু খাবার অ্যান্ড দ্য ডিমের পোচ ওয়াজ অসম
We are about to dive into some thrilling water activities. Come, let's go.
Good morning. Ready for Coral Island. The tour manager of MMT would update me every night, or rather the previous night, for the next day's activities. The details of the driver, number of the vehicle would be updated to me through WhatsApp. So accordingly I would get ready and they would pick me up from the hotel lobby. It was just 10 to 15 minutes drive. এখানে আমার নাম পাসপোর্ট নাম্বারটা আপডেট করতে হয়েছে I am at Pattaya going to Coral Island. এসে প্রথমে ওরা এখানে দেখালো, এখানে গিয়ে ওই ডিটেলসটা লিখতে হলো আর হাতে এটা বেঁধে দিয়েছে, নাম্বার লিখে দিয়েছে। এখন ওয়েট করছি আমরা ওই বোটের জন্য। Pattaya. If you want slippers and sandals, you forget to bring. Island. সমুদ্রটা দেখা যাচ্ছে এখান থেকে।
This is located near Bali High Fire to commemorate an international Lions meeting held in Pattaya in 2006.
Yeah. 33.
The speedboat ride
Boat number?
from Pattaya, it takes
9.
approximately 20 minutes to the Coral Island. Many charter boats are available. They can be found just south of the walking street in Pattaya at Bali High Pier.
Boat number 9 দিয়েছে আমাদের. We will board this Prayap Marine boat number 9. It's coming.
बोट नंबर 9 इकडे
Number 33.
Yeah. Yes. Woohoo! Started for the Coral Island. Chapak.
Coral Island, also known as Koh Larn, is a popular day trip destination from Pattaya, Thailand. It is situated about 7 kilometers west of Pattaya beach. It's a short ferry or a speedboat ride from Pattaya, typically taking around 30
এই
to
বোটটা করে
45
এখানে
minutes.
এলাম। এখানে কিছু স্পোর্টস অ্যাক্টিভিটিস হবে, তো সেগুলো ডেসক্রিপশন ফার্স্টে দেবে, তারপরে উই হ্যাভ টু চুজ।
पूरे कोरल आइलैंड का टोटल 3 स्टॉप 4 एक्टिविटी होता है आपको करने के लिए। अभी आपका टूर पटिया बीच से स्टार्ट किया है। ये है प्रसिद्ध पैरासेलिंग। यहाँ पे आप सभी लोग पैरासेलिंग करेंगे। इसके बाद ले जाएंगे सेकंड स्टॉप अंडर सी वॉक नियर बाय आइलैंड। यहाँ से 15 किलोमीटर आगे सेकंड स्टॉप अंडर सी वॉक। उसके बाद ले जाएंगे फाइनल स्टॉप कोरल आइलैंड बीच टूर जेट स्की बनाना बोट। उधर कुछ समय बिताएंगे। आइलैंड में सिर्फ पतिया होता है। पतिया का सबसे सिग्नेचर एक्टिविटी अंडर सी वॉक। इसे मिस करना मतलब आज का पूरा टूर मिस करना।
हाउ मेनी मिनट्स यू सेड? हाउ मेनी मिनट्स?
20 मिनट
30 মিনিট।
दूसरा ऑप्शन है आप कम्बो मिनी कम्बो 1600 ए कम्बो 2400 कम्बो 2500। एंजॉय करें। आपका जो सामान है चप्पल चश्मा लगेज बैग जो भी है सब यहाँ छोड़ दे। गाइड है टिकट करेगी। कम्बो का टिकट लेने के बाद सिर्फ पैरासेलिंग का ध्यान देना है। बाकी टिकट बैग में। इसके बाद चलेंगे दूसरे स्टॉप।
The main difference between the parasailing in Pattaya from the flights in other resorts is the usage of the special pontoons. The pontoons are not very large platforms on water which are located a few hundred meters from the coastline and serve as the springboard for sending and landing with the parachute. Starting and landing on pontoons is much more comfortable than landing on the beach. That is why, while parasailing in Pattaya, I did not need a pilot or an assistant. Woohoo! I could fly in the air independently. A dream come true. Soaring above the crystal clear waters and enjoying the breathtaking views of the coral island from high in the sky. One of the highlights of my parasailing adventure was exhilarating dip in the water. Just when I thought that the ride couldn't get any more thrilling, I was gently lowered, skimming the surface of the ocean before being lifted back into the sky. The cool splash was refreshing and added an extra dose of excitement to my airborne journey.
প্যারাসেলিং ডান। এখন আমরা যাব আর একটা আইল্যান্ডে, সেখানে গিয়ে আন্ডার সি ওয়াক করব। টিল দেন বাই। Now we are moving towards the island where we will have the sea walk.
Sea walk is near Coral Island.
Near Coral Island.
After 20 minutes.
Acha. From now 20 minutes we have to go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bumpy road.
Bumpy road.
It was very difficult to do the video recording
because we were going against the wind and we were breaking the waves. Next on our adventure was the sea walk, an extraordinary experience that lets you walk on the ocean floor. After a brief orientation and a safety briefing, we were fitted with the heavy helmets
How was it?
that supply a constant flow of oxygen, allowing us to breathe comfortably underwater.
These are the guys.
Okay, hello.
These white pipes supply oxygen. These pipes are then connected to this helmet-like mask, which helps the person to breathe comfortably underwater. As I descended into the clear blue waters, I was surrounded by vibrant coral reefs. The school of colorful fish was so beautiful. The sensation of walking on the seabed was surreal, like stepping into an underwater paradise. The helmets were surprisingly comfortable and provided a clear view of the marine life around us. Our guides were incredibly knowledgeable, pointing out the interesting sea life and ensuring our safety throughout the experience. The sea walk was not only a unique way to explore the underwater world, but also a gentle reminder of the importance of preserving this stunning marine ecosystem. If you ever visit Coral Island, the sea walk is a must try experience that you will cherish forever.
Coral Island চলছে এখানে আচ্ছা ওই যে বানানা বোট ওকে এই যে স্কুটার see the color of the sea wow
Next on our agenda was the banana boat ride and the jet ski.
reached Coral Island Hello? अच्छा I have activity but you have banana island ticket right? हाँ.
Can ticket with my staff, huh?
We will come here. Okay, I'll bring the ticket and come.
এখানে বালির রং পুরো সাদা ছিল।
Here now we'll go for a
banana and jet ski.
It's small. Yeah.
We boarded the bright yellow, inflatable, banana shaped raft, which was securely attached to a speedboat. As the speedboat started pulling us through the water, we quickly picked up speed, bouncing over the waves and feeling the rush of the wind and the spray. This ride was both exhilarating and fun, with everyone holding on tightly and laughing as we were jolted and splashed by the waves. The boat driver skillfully maneuvered through the sharp turns and sudden accelerations, adding to the excitement and making sure we had a wild ride. The goal was to hold on as long as possible without falling into the water, which added an extra challenge and lots of laughs. Eventually, one of us couldn't hold on any longer and ended up in the water, which was a refreshing and fun way to cool off. The banana boat ride was an absolute blast, combining the speed, teamwork, and plenty of thrills, making it a highlight of my Coral Island adventure.
It was very good. It was so good.
It was great.
Banana boat ride. Yay!
The jet skis cut through the waves effortlessly, allowing us to experience the thrill of the high speed and the freedom of the open sea.
This is the restaurant. এখানে আমাদেরকে নিয়ে আসা হয়েছে ওই ফ্রি লাঞ্চের জন্য আফটার দ্য ওয়াটার অ্যাক্টিভিটিস অ্যাট কোরাল আইল্যান্ড। Chicken is
After all these adventures, it's time to refuel with a delicious free lunch that was there with the package. My amazing day finally came to an end, and I head back to the Glow Pattaya Hotel around 4:30 p.m. filled with unforgettable memories. Stay tuned and do not forget to like, share and subscribe.